So we got we're gonna make some fried okra. Get you some okra. One thing you wanna know is when you cut your okra, if the knife goes through it very easily and just, straight through, it's good and fresh and you can use it. If the knife don't want to go through the okra, throw it away. If you go to cut it, there's any resistance at all in that blade, you'll know. Trust me, you'll know. Okay, so that's to say everybody that does not know about okra, and maybe it's your first time because it was our first time, and we learned the hard way. So anyhow, then what you do is you take mustard. Mustard will be your egg batter. Instead of using eggs, use mustard. Jaden tried to get this all spun around there. He's not got it quite right yet. We'll continue to mix it until everything's evenly coated. The mustard is going to be the glue for your breading, okay? And what are we going to use for breading? We're going to use breadcrumbs, okay? These are Progresso breadcrumbs, and inside the breadcrumbs we have put a few additives, all right? First one we did a little bit, like literally a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Then we added about a half a teaspoon of seasoned salt and regular salt. Then we added about a tablespoon of pepper, a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. So you get the black pepper and the cayenne, a tablespoon of each. And a half a tablespoon of garlic powder and a half a tablespoon of onion powder. Okay, give me the lid over there. You're going to put the lid on there. You're going to shake it all up. Jaden, lid. Thank you, sir. Put the lid on here like so. All right, so we got this going. We'll mix it up. Again, the mustard is just your glue. And no, you're not going to taste the mustard, okay? The mustard you will not taste. And hey, even if you did taste it, who doesn't like mustard, right? So, but you won't taste it. Get that good and coated, all right? And then you're going to either put this in a bag or do like this right here. And we'll just kind of stir it up a little bit. See where we're at. And we'll add more if we need to. Now you can use the fish fry stuff if you want. That's also very popular. The Louisiana fish fry stuff, you can use that. Or you can just, like I said, use these breadcrumbs with a little extra stuff in it. Make sure that your grease is set to 350 to 375. Okay, that's where you want your grease at. Make sure it's there. Check it with a thermometer. All right, if you ain't got a thermometer, try your best to get it around about that temperature, okay? All right, so we'll show you what the finished product looks like. You got a thermometer, you can just test it out like this. See, that's good. Frying up good. All right, guys. Don't crowd it. Just kind of put it in there and let it do its thing. You don't want to crowd too much. They can get. It's better, they say, if you give it plenty of room to breathe or whatever. So let it do its thing, and then get you some ranch and stuff and other condiments that you like, and sit down and eat it and enjoy some fried okra. I'll show you what it looks like when we're completely done.
Don't forget to smash that like button, that notification bell. Don't get the
Good job. Here you go. Thank you. Don't forget to share. Yep. There you go. Good job. And subscribe.